Hello everybody, in this video I'll be demonstrating Cisco's AAA, that's Authentication, Authorization and Accounting, from a Cisco iOS switch, which is the switch here, using a Windows 2016 server as the radius server. So we start off with the switch. Just want to show you how it's set up. So I have my IP on the SVI, Switch Virtual Interface for VLAN 1 of 172.16.0.253. My computer is this cloud here. I'll show you how that works in a second. But its IP is 99. We can ping it from the switch, 172.16.0.99. To connect your PC in GNS3 into your switch, you use this on the left here. In devices you use that cloud there, and then you need a specific adapter which I'll show you in a second. Network and internet settings, network and sharing centers, change adapter settings. This Microsoft KM-test loop, Microsoft KM loopback adapter. So if you right click it, properties, there, that's my IP on it. So that's how my own computer can connect into GNS3, and this is installed from inside Device Manager. You can use Google to see how you install that. It's part of Windows, you don't need to download anything. Okay, here for this Windows 2016 machine, I'm using a GNS3 Windows 2016 appliance with my own Windows 2016 image. I got it to work, but there's a specific image you can use to make it work, or you're supposed to use. But either way, anyway, it works. Let's just show you how the server is set up quickly. Okay, so I'm going to type ipconfig here just to show you how the IP address looks. And as you can see, the server is 172.16.0.1, and we should be able to ping that switch, which is 172.16.0.253. I forgot the one. Let's just move my mouse there a second. Okay, we can ping the switch. That's the switch we're going to set up the AAA on in a moment, and I should be able to ping my computer 172.16.0.99. So just to give you a quick orientation again, this cloud connects to my computer. These are just two computers actually doing nothing at the moment. This is the switch we're going to configure for AAA. And what I'm going to do is we're going to have this user called Cisco set up on Windows 2016, that if you log in as user Cisco with this password, you should be given privilege level 15. That means you're immediately going to find yourself in enable mode. You won't need to still type enable and then a password, to get privilege commands. Secondly, if you log in with this user netadmin, you should find yourself in user mode. If you want to go to privilege mode, if you want to go to enable mode, you're going to have to type in an enable password, which is going to be this 11234, but you're not going to be entered in enable mode automatically. Then here we have this username user password. This is going to be the fallback, meaning if the AAA radius server fails, then we wanted to log in with the username user password. But first things first, we need to get network policy server installed on this Windows 2016 server. So that's what I'm going to do now, and I'm going to make this video in multiple parts. So after installing it, I will start the next video. So if you don't need to see how it's installed, you can end this video and then look for the second video. So for those of you who want to see how it's installed, I'll be showing you in a second. You need this server manager. It seems pretty much everything on Windows Server 2016 is added this way. Just gonna drag these things a bit smaller so it all fits in the recording screen. Okay, there we go. So you select Manage, Add Roles and Features, Next. Yeah, you can select Next. We only have this one server. Next. And what we're looking for here is Network Policy Server, or this one, looks similar enough. Yep, that's it. Network Policy and Access Services, yeah. Add feature. Next. 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 Restart the destination server automatically if required. Sounds good to me. Yes. Install. It's not the fastest computer, so I'm gonna have to be patient. I think I'll quickly pause this a bit. It's a good thing I had that paused because it certainly did take quite a while, but it is installed now, so I can close this and we go to, let's see what message here says. It just says installation succeeded. Task detail, what does it say? Doesn't even say what it installed. Anyway, so select Tools, and then here we go to Network Policy Server. And it's taking its time. And there you have it. This is Network Policy Server. I'm going to stop the recording now, and in the next video I will show you how to set up your Radius accounts here and how to set up AAA on the switches. Thank you for watching.